The kitchen is a dangerous place. Look out! The kitchen ninja is in the house. A sink full of dishes? Oh, whatever. I'll wash it later. Meet Miss Messy. There's a mess in the kitchen, but it doesn't bother her at all. Food leftovers? Rotting fruit peels? A dirty stove with undercooked pasta? Ew! All of this looks bad. It's no big deal for this young woman to cook pasta in a dirty pot. You just have to add oil. Orange peel? Why not? It's kind of gross, though. Should I finish this donut? Smells pretty good. Everybody's gotta eat. But some people go to the kitchen for clout. Miss Blogger, for instance, wearing an apron is part of the appeal. The main thing is to look attractive in the picture and showing your followers literally everything that happens in the kitchen. Look how the oven opens, and an empty baking sheet is also very, very interesting. Miss Blogger doesn't stop showing off for a second. The question is, when will she start cooking? Never. Don't hold your breath. Why cover your manicure in dough when the store sells gorgeous pre-made buns? Just put the cinnamon rolls on the tray, and no one's going to believe that Miss Blogger didn't bake them. The main thing is, they are beautiful. What else do you need? Sprinkle the pastries with shredded coconut to make them look cuter. That's all the cooking you need to do. Here's another interesting kind of girl in the kitchen, Miss Vegan. She loves wheatgrass, vegetables, and lettuce. No animal products, not even for her pet. Her philosophy is really strict. But not everyone shares her point of view. Fried chicken? Oh, that's terrible! Poor girl! She's about to pass out. You contaminated my kitchen with a chicken! But her dog needs the nutrients. A smart girl feels right at home in the kitchen. Look at Miss Gadget. Her kitchen looks like a spaceship. She goes from one kitchen gadget to another. The toaster, the microwave, the multi-cooker. Why do something by hand when a machine could do it? She's too lazy to grate her cheese the usual way. And cut vegetables? She's using everything but the kitchen sink. The electric grill will fry delicious, juicy vegetables. And the coffee machine will make a strong Americano. Isn't technology amazing? This kitchen is like a Brookstone showroom. And there are some creative people who can't stop, even in the kitchen. For example, Miss Musician. She never comes to the kitchen without a speaker. The blender, the baking sheet, and the rolling pin are all props for a performance. What if you used an induction panel as a record? Oh, what a great sound! I'm a cool DJ! The mug is just like a headphone. Now let's sit behind the drum kit. Plates, lids, and kitchen utensils are the perfect combo. The chopsticks sound great, too. Hey, fish! Everybody dance now! And in this kitchen, everything is always falling. Meet Miss Clumsy. Trying to pull a hot tray out of the oven is a disaster. She'll definitely get burned. Poor thing, it's falling out of her hands. It's dangerous to be near a girl like this. If she tries to salt the dish, she'll obviously put too much. She's nothing but trouble. It's like the food is attacking the poor girl. The flour jumped on her from the top shelf. Is she thirsty? She's going to get the water all over her. Ah, bad luck. Maybe she's having a bad day. No, she's like this every day. And this type of girl is very rare in the kitchen. This is Miss Lucky. She comes in and starts cooking. But here he comes. And he says, "Honey, get some rest. I'll do it myself." Wow! Her boyfriend puts on his apron and takes over the kitchen. Oh, look at him go! It's impossible not to smile. He's doing a great job with the dough. In a few more minutes, the pizza goes into the oven. And Miss Lucky sits there and relaxes. But she doesn't have to wait long. Here comes the hot pizza, just for her. She really is lucky. But not everyone has that kind of luck. This is Miss Lazy, and cooking for her is a real challenge. After she scrolled through pasta recipes on the internet, she takes the pasta out of her cupboard. But she runs out of enthusiasm quickly. She's still hungry though. And here's her way out. Get delivery. Now all you have to do is wait. Here comes the pizza. It's delicious. Laziness is expensive, but at least you don't have to cook. Everybody's got their quirks. Cleanliness in the kitchen is crucial for Miss Tidy. She never lets go of her rag. Everything has to be pristine. She's careful and clean. Everything in the kitchen is under her constant supervision. Even the vegetables are laid out nice and neat. And so are the skewers and the cheese. Miss Tidy uses a ruler to cut food. Everything has to be perfect. And she won't rest until everything is mathematically accurate. It's not a canapé. It's a perfectionist's dream come true. It's time to meet another kitchen fairy, Miss Green. She loves everything organic. Her kitchen is like a small garden. Wow, lettuce and a radish. Oh, that's great! You can pull what you need right off the patch and make a salad. You can see she loves fresh vegetables. Good for her! And some girls are into multitasking. They do everything in the kitchen. This is Miss Here and Now, talking on the phone. She's got time to pet her dog. Cook something. Cut the vegetables. She can also boil rice at the same time. She's literally juggling pots on the stove. This girl practically has 4 hands. 1, 2, 3. And there's a delicious meal on the plate. She drops her bathrobe and towel, and it looks like she came to a restaurant. Bon appetit! Doing everything all at once is an art form. Some girls go into the kitchen to exercise. Miss Healthy Living is one of them. She likes weights better than a rolling pin or a ladle. But when it comes to food, the situation gets serious. Whipped cream? No, that's no good. Flour? No way. Sugar? I wish. But no. And it's better to put the eggs aside, too. But apples are healthy. But first, she needs to weigh everything and find out how many calories it is. What does my fitness application say? It's okay. Great! Now she doesn't need to cook anything. Did you like our sketches about girls in the kitchen? Did any of them remind you of your friends? Which one of these types are you? Tell us in the comments. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button to make sure you don't miss any new videos about different types of people on Troom Select.